Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the shutter speed. Okay, so we need to open up your camera app. In here, click on More and click on the Promote. And in here you can adjust the shutter speed. Now click on this panel, and in here we have the speed. Currently it's on the auto mode, but if you want to change it, you can do this manually by simply sliding to the left side or to the right side, just like that. And you can adjust these values. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.